Alright, so we're going to RDM in this. Okay, that's good. Alright, hold up. I have to put my seatbelt in real quick in order to ride along because he has this harness set up. It's not complete. No. Obviously he didn't know I was coming with him, but we gonna make it work. Let's just give it one last little crank down. There we go. Seatbelt's on. Lowering the center back into place. Yeah, that's clean.
Damn, there we go.
Safe. All right, Thomas, you ready? Caesar's recording. It's good to go. Oh, this is gonna be a terribly fun trip. I don't even know how much audio is gonna come through when I talk. Bro. You know, you're gonna hear exhaust most of the way. Don't scrape. Don't scrape. Thomas, is that 55 mile an hour approved?
Bro, you got more?
Zip ties will be more freeway approved than duct tape. On the road again. We're just about to get on the road again. Just waiting for my friend to start his whip. What you trying to do? All right, let's go. Right?
Yeah, basically.
But I like that shifter boot. That's dope.
HPS. Hooked it up.
Hooked it up. Shifter boot. So I can feel the pressure. I'm starting to get a minor headache already. Yep. That's just how you live, you know. It's like going to the DJ, you know, listen to that loud music pumping in your head, man.
That repeat.
Got that on repeat.
For some reason, this side sat lower, and so I fixed it all. Me and Kelly measured it.
I didn't work on it.
Cool. Kelly!
That's on it.
What it do?
But, yeah. They were at 10
I don't know if it
times
was standing by the car until I got closer.
And no more fucking clanking. Shit.
No clanking, planking?
Yeah,
good. Hey, look! It's Kelly's car.
You vlogging at him?
Dude, I got a vlog. You want to be on the vlog? Just give me that cherry pie.
The vlog.
The vlog. Well, I'm glad you got new ball joints.
The red's way better. That's not as sketchy anymore either.
Good.
That purple though.
That purple though. And do you like big trucks?
XLT F250, son.
Yeah, I repolished the red and everything.
But
yeah, it looks really clean. But the interior though, that's nice.
Yeah, only problem is gas gauge is out and the fucking the code module, fucking all those lights went out, and then
I don't have that.
Typical headliner sag.
I have that. Yeah, that's me. But your dashboard, I love the black.
Yeah, I just wish it was all black.
2.0 liter startup. Yeah, clean, quiet. That'll do. It's stock. This is quieter than quiet.
I'm debating.
He's debating it. All right. See ya. Give me that piece. You're good. Killing it. It's in. Woo! That was a good one. That's pretty cool. We're walking down the street. We've basically left the car meet. Walking over to the gas station now. Oh, hold up. There's your front wheel drive Eclipse. There's your downforce. This is what the car life is like. You take a photo shoot of your whip on the train tracks because it looks good. Alright, thank you, Tom.
No problem.
It was a fun trip.
There's my phone.
Where's your phone? Your phone's right here.
Okay, cool.
Have a good drive.
Oh well.
It's a lot of fun. Keep this thing rocking, build it up nicely. I can't wait to see it in a future video. It's cold. It's cold. It ain't summer yet. But I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the deal. And I'll see you guys in the next video.